as I stepped off the plane and into the bustling airport, I couldn't help but feel a rush of excitement and a hint of nervousness. I'd arrived at Heathrow Airport in London, a place I'd only ever dreamed of visiting, and I was here to explore the world of English at the airport, a place where language meets culture and adventure. I took a deep breath, grabbed my suitcase, and joined the throngs of travelers rushing to their gates. My first challenge was to find the baggage carousel. I spotted a friendly-looking airport staff member. "Excuse me," I said, trying to sound confident. "Where's the baggage claim for Flight 221? He smiled and replied, "That's just down that way. And take the lift to the arrivals level, and it's on your right." I thanked him and made my way to the lift. As I rode the elevator down, I noticed a sign that read "Information Desk." I thought to myself, perfect. I'll just go there and ask for help. But as I approached the desk, I saw a long queue of frustrated travelers waiting to be assisted. So I decided to take a different approach. "Hi," I said to the person in front of me. "Do you know where the baggage claim is?" She turned around and smiled. "Oh, yeah, just down that way, but be warned, the queues are crazy today." I laughed and said, "Thanks for the heads up. I'll just take a peek." I walked over to the baggage claim, and sure enough, the queues were huge. But I was determined to get my suitcase. I joined the back of the line and waited patiently. As I waited, I struck up a conversation with the person next to me. "Hi, how long have you been waiting?" I asked. He replied, "About an hour. I'm so bored." I commiserated. "I know, right? I've been waiting for 20 minutes already." We chatted for a bit, and before I knew it, the person in front of us was getting their suitcase. I was next. "Okay, let's see," I said to myself. "I got my suitcase, now what?" I looked around and spotted a sign that read "Airport Lounge." I thought to myself, perfect, I'll just go there and relax for a bit. I walked over to the lounge and was greeted by a friendly staff member. "Welcome to the lounge. Can I get you a drink?" I replied, "Yeah, I'll have a coffee, please." He smiled and said, "Coming right up." As I sipped my coffee, I noticed a group of travelers gathered around a TV watching the news. I joined them and we started chatting about the latest headlines. It was amazing how much we had in common. Despite being from different parts of the world, we were all united by our love of travel and language. I left the lounge feeling refreshed and more confident, ready to take on the world of English at the airport, where language meets culture and adventure. I grabbed my suitcase and headed off to my next destination, feeling proud of myself for navigating the airport like a pro, and knowing that with every step, I was one step closer to becoming a master of English at the airport, where the world of language and culture come alive in every conversation. I walked out of the airport, suitcase in hand, feeling like a true traveler, ready to take on the world.